Yo, heard you mans are building 7-second Hondas in here, man. What's going on, Jammin?
Get the rope, tie him up.
Yo. Look at it. The engine's back in.
Engine's back in.
Where's your crack gone?
Is that tight?
let me find it.
Some outside there.
Which one is it? Gunshot hole in there. What you be doing to these engines, Jam, man?
I don't know, man. They got a bit hot. I wanted to open the window. There's more than opening the window.
Bro, are you sure that's big enough?
I don't think it's that big yet. We want to go bigger yet.
You know what they say, the bigger the better.
Oi.
This should handle your weight because too much.
These man build 8-second Hondas. Now they're in the motorbikes.
What did you do?
No, rev it.
Oh, yeah. No, the thing's active.
Hold it. Change the speed to 3 if you can on the side.
Bike life.
That's what you're doing, Jammin.
So this turbo I've had in the car for 2.5 years and alhamdulillah it's worked perfect. I've got a feeling that the turbo's a bit tired, and this year we blew a few engines where we've lost a few valves. So I want to check the blades.
Okay.
So if the blades are broken, I'm gonna cry.
It's an excuse for a bigger turbo.
I think we're okay here now. Let's see if there's any. That's beautiful. Such a nice turbo. So I'm fully convinced today that it's not my turbo. So we are nice.
Look at that.
Yes sir. Next gen. So beautiful. I'm happy now.
If you're happy, then we're all happy.
Yeah.
Duck. Where's Cadbury, man? You sure about Cadbury?
Inshallah. Cadbury's gonna be ready. Very
Inshallah. Jammin, this supported?
Yes, that's a 4-piston head, that is.
Serious?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. You know the lads are 4-piston. They all look after me. You know.
Do they?
My timing chain cover came a bit damaged. Sent me 3 crank seals. I go, you're too far. You got some low friction crank seals as I said.
That's how my relationship with drag car time, to be honest.
Okay.
They sent me a chain, I had a little knot in it, they go throw that in the bin, they sent me a brand new one. But yeah,
Oh, fair.
they all look after us, man.
Yeah, have to, man. You're some serious big fishes here, man.
I'm not a big fish.
Yeah,
man.
no,
Big
you
fish
are.
is
Okay.
We all look
You
after
may not be, but your car is then.
the car is, I'm not. I'm just a normal person like you, bro.
Yeah, aren't we all, baby? We all have the same addiction, though, man. That's the bad thing.
We all on the same drugs. As they say.
You know, the government should be supporting us. You know,
The
we
government-
need money from them.
If it's America, it's a different story because you can learn this at school.
Mm.
You can do drag racing, get a scholarship of drag racing there. Here, you don't get none of that here.
Nothing for the kids. All I'm seeing is billet everywhere, Jammy, man.
Billet box. So sequential, yes. Normally the block is nice and shiny, but not today. Because we're trying to get ready for an event in 2 weeks. Well, next weekend.
Next weekend, okay. What's happening next weekend, Jam?
So USC's on, sports compact shootout. And we are in the competition with 25 cars so far in the competition. With some big hitters.
They're coming for that prize pool, eh?
Yeah, the price. I think it's $2,000. But it might be a bit more, I don't know. If it's changed. Santop, I'd love to change.
Maybe they'll add an extra 0 one.
You wish.
20 grand. That'll get something nice.
Yeah.
Maybe some super
They
secret.
they don't do no big bloody payouts here for front wheel drive, man. They should do, but
Do you think we have to go over to the States?
we can't run with them mans yet.
You know, they're too far ahead.
They are.
In terms of technology, and their builds are next level.
Considering the fastest K series at the minute is 7.8, I think it is. K series.
Okay.
And in a front wheel drive road, I've noticed each K series person's doing between 7.8 and 8.2. And what you see a lot is 8.1 from the K series people. So I'm like, if I'm doing 8.3, 8.2, I'm not far off them, am I?
Soon come, Jammy.
But they're running some serious boost, man.
What they running?
They're like close to 65s and all of that, man.
Hey!
Yeah, 65, 70s. I ain't even pushed it that far. I've done it once and I cracked the block enough.
See a bit of shiny stuff. I gotta pull the camera out.
It was. The car was on the front. My K-tune bolt. Well, I'm gonna check all of these. Thank you, Big Dad.
I'm happy to help.
So, these are the exact same two turbos. 7685. Which one looks bigger? Because this is the next gen. So everything has the floor on it is completely different to that. It's all about the housing and the floor.
So the difference between Gen 2 and next gen.
Next gen. And then you got Gen R.
Okay.
But the Gen R one ain't nothing special. All you're paying for is the letter R. Because that's what Precision said to us. So, but yeah. Next gen to the world. But Gen 2 is just as good. Right. Beautiful. Lovely. I've done 82 on that turbo. I've done 82 on this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I've done 82 on this turbo. No, I haven't.
You done 8.2 this last year? No, this
Yes, I did.
With the Anomaly and its driver, Amir.
Yeah.
Amir, what's the reason behind the name? Why is it called the Anomaly?
If you look in your dictionary, online, whatever, thesaurus, whatever you have, anomaly means something what deviates from the normal standard. Something that's different.
Okay,
So I
okay.
thought, you know, 4-door, something, I'm different, so it's different. It just stands
Car's
out.
different, huh?
Yeah.
You're running next week.
Yes,
You're
USC,
running with the big boys, USC.
the big boys,
You know, I'll come down. We got to get the support in.
of course. You have to be there.
We got to be there, man.
He
It'll be
was there
fun.
for the 8-second run.
You know, Raw there for your personal best.
My first 8, he was there. My only
You know,
8.
I will.
Hopefully we have more.
You know, inshallah, we'll get there.
But yeah, the car was all fine, alhamdulillah. So maintain the engine, because at this level you need to, the meth, we run meth and it rusts out the boards, it dries out the boards. So we just put some oil down there.
Yeah, your uncle was saying he blew his engine because he didn't maintain it. Left the meth in. Meth turned to water. Kaput.
Body. But yeah, right now it's got no throttle body. I upgraded to the Ross 90mm with the
Okay.
Mustang TPS, because I was having TPS problems last time I was out.
It's potentially even faster. Ooh.
Potentially.
But I didn't see the
like the
sparkle on that before.
I've seen yours is blue as well.
Mine is just powder coated blue. Everything, my theme is white and blue. Just whatever I can get blue. I'm a powder coat the turbo housing blue as well.
Yeah. I was going to keep it grey and black, but I thought it needs a colour that stands out as well.
Now this is sick, mashallah. Look at this sparkle effect in that. That
Sparkle.
is mad.
Just the throttle body needs to be changed, and that's why. Then it should be ready for next week. I ain't sprayed this for a while. Needs to get resprayed.
Send that blue as well.
Nah, I'll keep it grey.
Fairs. Keep everything. Yeah,
I
keep
like
it with the theme.
colour. Yeah.
Keep the theme nice.
Yeah, oh yeah. The skinnies as well. Nah, it's not the size the other side.
So you're rubbing.
Yeah. It had like a big groove along here. So we don't do that. 'Cause, I risk my life.
Blowouts on the drag strips ain't fun.
Yeah, so I got a pair of new skinnies.
You replace sports.
Oh no.
He's got his paddle rackets in the back.
Paddle rackets. That's where my suit and that is.
There's your throttle body in there.
Yeah.
Did you get
Sitting.
Mackeys in this?
No.
No
KFC.
Mackeys. Oh, yeah. I've been to drive-through in this.
Nah. When it was stock D series.
Okay, fairs. Mew. When are you running the billet block?
A billet? I don't know. A billet.
Why not?
I want to run the block that's in his car now. Alley rods. Got mine as steel rods.
Oh, I got an aluminium rod for you. Hang on, wait there. You want the aluminium rod?
I don't even think I could start my car with this.
Might run, you know. Ali rods, oh. Good for street on, huh?
Perfect.
Really?
Just say Bismillah.
Oh, not that, you bloody idiot, man. Actual alley rods.
No,
Don't
I
need-
wouldn't say so.
Okay.
It's too much maintenance. Keep it drag. That's why I went steel rods, because I seen how much he has to do before a run. I think I'd pass out. So I kept his steel rods.
Unks ain't messing around. He got a turbo in his hand. He told me to call him Unks. I ain't calling Unks out of choice.
What do you call me, Unks?
Gramps. Sorry. Jealous.
Don't call me Unks.
Super Gramps.
I don't want to be Unks.
You need a hand? Here you go.
And clap together. This is why I hate taking my turbo off, because it's a horrible thing. Especially being a little big ass turbo. You see Chav over there doesn't help.
What? I just do the ones.
You want some moral support?
Moral support.
You can do it.
If you're being cute. I don't want it to trap my fingers. I knew I should put it on.
Do you think he makes turbo noises in his sleep?
I used to. He's the wrong person to ask.
You know what? I found my yearbook picture the other day, Jammin, yeah?
Yeah.
And at the bottom it says, where do you see yourself in the future? And mine were just 2 words, racing calls.
Racing calls?
Yeah. So I don't know what type of racing, so it might be drag racing.
Maybe. Racing calls.
Racing calls. I didn't even like cars back in school, bro.
Oh, you cunt. Struggling life. Whose idea was this to take this off? Gordon's.
Why wanted you to check it?
Wow. He didn't. To be honest, he didn't even tell me to check it. It was just me and my bloody
Their
OCD
own
issues.
peace of mind, and yeah.
Okay, that seems like it's on it now. See, now I've got the issue that this bloody basket. So now I take that out. There you go. Alright, ciao.
Some great help. At least you ain't got no gloves on. I got gloves on, not helping him.
You put gloves on to make it out like you have. Inside just got some gloves on. Must have been helping.
Is that what you thought when you walked in?
Yeah, I did actually.
Yeah,
do
it's
that.
probably come to help, Unks. I mean, Gramps.
Unks, cramps. I'll tie you up in the back in a minute and leave you here.
I got work in the morning.
I don't care.
BDT,
Okay,
big
okay.
Diddy ting.
Boy.
Look at the dog. Me and BD are good friends, you know.
You and Pete did your friends?
Yeah, of course.
But I'm gone, bro, safe.
Biggie.
Just look for the S2000, like 10 foot in the air. But I'm surprised no one's wheeled that away, you know.
Not worth it, that's all.
What? That's the most hurtful thing you've said to me, you know.
Is it?
No, I'm joking. I don't give a fuck about it.
Oh man.
Boss Machine Racing.
Why you put it off? Relax, G.
It's beef is beef.
What means, yeah, is that going to cause a gap because that's got seal on it already? Do you understand?
Seal off.
No. I don't want you to put the seal on because it's going to leak otherwise. So just put it on like that.
Without, oh, maybe that's why you never ran a gasket with it.
Quick little video for Big Man Ting's Honda. It's running next week in USC. We're going to be there. It's going to test this big boy out. It's delivering power. Jammin's crying because he broke an AN10 fitting.
I didn't break it, okay,
It broke.
brother. Why broke it?
Brother, why is at home?
Brother Saj broke it.
Brother said, why break it?
I looked at it and it broke. No other ones though. Never.
You bit it with chocolate? Oh.
I bought all the chocolate and it's still in the bag. Well, Miru's had the Twix. And everything else is still in the bag.
Drive me with food. It would have worked 3 years ago.
Just need some Big Man Ting sauce. Jammin, I need some Conrod's pistons and all of your expertise.
If you want any rods, please contact PDD. I don't have setting. I'm so upset.
Said bye to the camera ages ago. My front end's on. Jammin, loving you, leaving you. See you soon, inshallah.
See you later,
Thank you
man.
for having me, bro.
No problem, brother.
Miru,
We'll see you next weekend.
good graft.